Hi Charu, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine as well. Thank you for asking. So first of all, I want to congratulate you on getting yourself admits from these different colleges, and thank you for taking out your time and doing this session with us. Before I start with my set of questions, could you just share a brief introduction from yours and the schools and colleges you got the admit from?
Hello, myself. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor's in planning from MIT School of Architecture and Planning, Noida.
Okay,
So basically, I'm applying for master's in real estate and planning. So I applied to 7 colleges through MIMSA.
right.
That is Manchester University, University of Sheffield, University of Glasgow, and I got acceptance from all of them. Seven out
Okay,
of
Okay, so you got acceptance from all of them. Definitely, I want to congratulate you on your admits. Which school are you be joining with?
So my first priority is Manchester University.
Okay, definitely Manchester is a great university and it will provide a huge boost to your career. So congratulations on that. So coming on to my
Thank
first question, could you just tell us how was your overall experience with MIM essays?
My overall experience was very great because the mentors I got, they were very easy to communicate with. Like I can easily call them anytime or text them anytime and get my issue resolved. And during the
Right,
process of writing and LOR writing, that was also very like one-to-one discussions were held. So that was very like they got to
helpful,
know me
right,
clearly and help that they were helpful. Yes.
right. Okay. So can you tell me specifically how did MIM essay add value to your application process?
Like they helped me with the content first of all because I would say this is my last semester in my college, so I'm very busy with my internships and my thesis
Right.
writing. So like MIM helped me throughout the process. The process was very smooth.
Definitely, we have a lot of services from school shortlisting to profile building, profile evaluation to the content team. We have an extensive CRM portal as well. So if I have to put you on the spot and ask you about the best service from our side, so what would you want to rate to be the best?
I recall my first interaction. So they provided how the like basically which country to opt for.
Right.
So that like helped me to streamline my focus in UK. I like searched about my field and got to know about many universities that offer my course.
So maybe the college shortlisting is the best thing you like from our side, right? So what advice would you want to give to a person who is just starting with his application process? What steps should he follow?
I would recommend them to go through the consult MIM for the process because they obviously they help in shortlisting the colleges. First of all, that is very huge task because coming from, if I speak about my bachelor's degree, like my basically my course, so there are many possibilities in masters. So they
Right,
helped me in my focus, and they also helped me with the content creation, so that was easy process.
right. So you got an admit for a unique course. Usually, those the candidates who come to us go for the
Yes.
MI course or the MBA course. So this is a bit of a unique course which you've got an admit from. So did you get any course specific help in the researching part of the course and all those things?
Yes, during like content creation part only. So they told me about the societies in the colleges related to this field, and also the professors or academicians related to them. So basically, I contacted them through LinkedIn. I got to know about them.
Right. Definitely grateful to hear that we could help you out and thank you for your great feedbacks. Okay, so in the end, I want to wish you all the best for your future and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much,